Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Traveling Coder. Here I have opened start.spring.io. It will help to create a structure for Spring Boot project. As you can see, I have selected project as a Maven project, language as Java, Spring Boot version 2.3.1. I added a project metadata. After selecting adding details, click on generate. It will generate a Spring Boot project as a zip. Now unzip the project, you will get the basic structure for Spring Boot project. I have already added the code. I will be giving overview of that code. You can get the code from my GitHub. I have added the GitHub link in the description. Import a project in any ID whichever you have. I prefer IntelliJ, so I will be importing it in IntelliJ IDEA. So select necessary checks like Java, select Java version and all those things. So I have added all the structures already. So now project has been imported. As you can see the project structure in IDE. So this is a CallMeBot API Java file. It has WhatsApp and Telegram API URLs. I will explain later how to get the WhatsApp API key, and that key needs to be added here. For Telegram API you won't need any API key, you just need to add the Telegram username. I have used factory design pattern, so if tomorrow I have to add any other medium like Facebook Messenger, then I will have to create just one class and add API URL for the same, and there won't be much changes needed. So you can define the message whatever you want to receive through WhatsApp and Telegram in automation executor Java file. To run the code, right click on the automation executor file and select as run as Java application. As you can see in console, API executed successfully and response is okay. That means our API is ran successfully. You have to copy the first line from console. It has all necessary dependencies which will require for batch file. As you can see, I have copied that. You can save this file at any location. Save it as a .bat extension, which is a Windows extension to run the batch scripts. This file you will be needed when we have to call our API, our program. That time you will need this file. Now the whole purpose of this all code was to get a call at the time of system starts. So to do that, you have two options: put your file in startup folder or create a Windows service. I will be using second approach, that creating a Windows service using NSSM tool. I'll explain. NSSM tool is open source tool which gives you a nicer graphical user interface to create a Windows service. You can search it on Google and download. Obviously the name speaks everything. To create a Windows service, you need to open a command prompt with administrative privileges. Make sure you do that. Also open the NSSM tool side by side. So NSSM tool, it will give you all the commands related to install a service, edit, etc. Now I'm typing the command, the NSSM install and your service name. You can give it any name. It will open a small window which contains application path and all other logger. So application path, there you will be adding your batch file which we have created earlier. For the rest of the fields, check and add it accordingly. I have added logger as well for my own convenience to see if the application is perfectly running or if it is failing. Now click on install service after adding everything. I also added a timestamp to see the logs. You see the message that service Sagar automation service is created successfully. Now you have to start the service. You will see that message in the command prompt as well. So in order to start the service, you need to type NSSM start and your service name command. So NSSM start, NSSM start and service name. So in my case, NSSM start Sagar automation service. It will say unexpected status service start pending. Using NSSM status command, you can check your service is started or not. So NSSM status Sagar automation service. In your case, your service name. As you can see, my service, the message is service running. Also, you can check if your service is listed in Windows services by putting the services.msc in run utility. So services.msc, you can access run using Windows R command. As you can see, there it is, Sagar automation service. It has all information we added and it is running. So when you start the computer, it will automatically start this service. Callmebot.com open source website. It provides you APIs, URLs for WhatsApp, Telegrams, and etc. Here you can check how to activate the Callmebot API and get the API key for WhatsApp. So they have listed all the procedure here. Just go through it, and it's a simple. Just add your this phone number, save it in your phone, send this message. It will give you the key, and that key and the API URL you have to add in our program. For Telegram call, you can they have added this. They have given this URL. We don't need to do any extra things. Just you need Telegram installed on your phone and copy the username and paste it here. So this is for Telegram call. So in order to get a call, they have given the voices and the language.
مع كلاود ماشين ليرنينج سوف تتمكن تطبيقاتك من معالجة وفهم الصور والنصوص وغيرها.
You can select the preferred language and prefer voice. I'm selecting the Indian and the female one.
With Cloud Machine Learning, your application interprets images,
Provide
texts
your
and
voice
more.
name, copy that name and paste it in our API URL.
क्लाउड मशीन लर्निंग के साथ आपका एप्लीकेशन छवियों, ग्रंथों और बहुत कुछ की व्याख्या करता है।
Now let's close everything and restart and see we get a call or not. I'm restarting my system. Once it start, I will get a call from Callmebot API on Telegram as well as message in WhatsApp. I will be getting a call in seconds. So I got the call.
Hi Sagar, just now your laptop has been started and it's online now. Start date is the 3rd of July 2020 T 9 hours 33 minutes and 17 seconds 233 Z. Hi Sagar.
So I'll be getting a message as well. This is useful when your laptop is started by someone. So I see I got the message as well. It is from Callmebot. In order to get a WhatsApp message, you need API key. That we already explained how to get the API key. So as you can see, I have saved the callmebot.api.com as this number and sent a message allow. So they have given me the API code and API URL. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know the topics which you want me to cover in the comments.